Hi guys, do you want to heal your relationships? Any of your relationships which are not going well? Maybe you had a fight, maybe you were angry, or maybe that person is angry on you, or there's some rough patch, or whatever it is. In this video, I'm going to help you in healing your relationship. Even the toughest of the relationships can be healed using this method. Okay, first of all, happy Pongal to each one of you. God bless you with health, wealth, and prosperity, beautiful relationships, and lot of happiness and peace. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can heal any of your relationship which is not going so well. Okay. So for this, what you have to do is forgiveness. The most simplest as well as the most toughest thing which most people consider is forgiveness. What we have to do is you have to do this for 33 days straight. Okay, every day night before going to bed, sit calmly in a place, breathe normally for a few seconds until you feel calm and peaceful, and then you have to start doing this. Step 1, close your eyes and imagine that this person is sitting in front of you. Bring that person in front of you. Okay, don't think of, okay, this person this did this to me, how can I do this, he hurt me, or why should I ask for forgiveness, and etc. Don't get into, don't fall into that ego trap, because we don't know what all karma we have done in this lifetime or past lifetimes, because of which we attracted this kind of behavior or this kind of words or situation or people in our life. So that is why, if we really want to heal a relationship, we need to ask forgiveness. We don't know what we did earlier and now. Okay, so close your eyes, imagine that that person is sitting in front of you. Feel the heart to heart connection. Don't think from your mind. Just feel the heart to heart connection between you and that person. Now, see, look into the eyes of that person and see that person, that basically each and every person is really so good, so beautiful and divine. Feel that. All of people's behaviors or their words, whatever it is coming just from the conditioning and their own karmas. So, for some time, we want to keep all of that aside and we just want to focus on the good, on the beauty of whatever they are. Okay, so close your eyes, imagine that person is sitting there, and then looking into their eyes, tell them, I'm really very sorry for whatever has happened. I'm sorry for hurting you, unknowingly or knowingly. Please forgive me. I love you and I thank you so much. Tell this to them, and then listen them speaking back to you. Listen to their voice. Okay, as if they are really speaking to you. Listen to them saying this to you. I was waiting for just this one line from such a long time, and finally you are here telling this to me. You have asked me for forgiveness. Thank you so much. I forgive you. I love you. I am also very sorry. Please forgive me for whatever has happened between us, for whatever I did, knowingly or unknowingly. Listen to this, saying this to you. Okay? You might know how they speak, you might know their voice, right? So listen them speaking this to you. And after they have said this to you, tell them, thank you so much for everything. Thank you for forgiving me and asking me for forgiveness. I love you so much. Thank you. Okay. and then hug each other and feel that love and that calm and that happiness. Do this for 33 days before going to bed at night, and you will see amazing results. Okay, take care. Bye.